What's up, guys? So today is Drift Day, as you can probably tell from the damn title, but today is a special drift event. It's called Night Stage. Now, Night Stage is an event held at Thompson that is on a Friday afternoon to night, so it goes 3 p.m. to 10 p.m., which I guess for a lot of tracks that's not that uncommon, but for Thompson we don't really have these late night events. It's cool. It goes in 2 nights. A lot of people put on neon and stuff. I didn't. I wish I did. It's a good time. So we're about to pull up in a couple minutes, all locked and loaded, ready to go for today. So I'm excited. Of course, I mean, drift events are always the best. It's unfortunately it's just another skid pad event, but I'll take what I can get. And yeah, so today's goals are to, 1, not suck, and 2 is to practice more tandeming, because that's what I've been kind of working on since the last event. If you guys have kept up with the other Drift Day videos, it's pretty bouncy here, isn't it? Yeah. By putting a larger rear diff in, it threw my gearing off completely, and it's made trying to chase other people a little bit more difficult. That only means I have to work on some more technique, which is awesome. So hopefully I learn a lot today and have a good time with my friends. So I guess let's get to Thompson and have some fun.
Good idea.
Let the fun begin.
Oh, really? Yeah. That's one way to do it. Just all by itself. Are you liking it? Ooh, hey, what's going on?
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. We're matching today.
Yes, we are. Unfortunately, I was a dumbass and I forgot my monitor cable for my monitor, so I can't really do anything. I mean, I can, but it's just not gonna look good.
Full hug. Fuck you, Bobby. Elbow to the face.
Nope. I'm here. I'm here still.
So these two have fully remade drift chassis for this season. He's got a 1J FC, he's got a 1J SC.
We have no idea what we're doing.
I'm liking the samples.
Yo, Jimmy Oak Special Edition Wabakis all day.
Open toes.
Open toes, that's how we're drifting. Someone fucking in.
Ankle.
Get down here, okay?
9 o'clock at night when we're on the
He's hung up on me.
Don't be screwing around.
Benny's always late, no matter what.
I have no idea where we're starting. I think they changed it up this season.
So are you gonna go on the grass?
I have no idea.
Any big pep talk?
Nope. Send it.
Good enough.
Alright, we're leading the parade of misguided B class. Oh my god, this is a U-turn.
And with this thing?
I'm calling it this tire right here. I'm hitting it.
Can we bring it home?
Now we wait. This course is gonna get bad. Of course the event I put my bumper on for is the event I'm probably gonna hit some.
What is it held up by? Is it just zip ties?
Yep.
Everyone's waiting. Y'all ready?
No.
Yes, you are.
I don't wanna go first.
Are you good?
Sure.
Go ahead.
This is a weird turn.
Lost something. No, keep going. Watch.
We lost something. That.
Does that mean anything?
It looks like a space, like a washer.
Oh, fuck.
You know what that is?
That might be my motor mount.
It could have just been something that was there. It could be your motor mount too.
Oh, fuck. We'll find out. Oh my god.
Is it that?
Yeah.
What is it?
Holy fuck. My motor mount's half off. Shit. Wow.
You think it's gonna be in here?
According to this label, spare parts.
Whose is it?
This is Vinny's. My friend Vinny with Blue Mustang.
Alright.
There's a lot better chances in here than in Jimmy's trailer.
Thank God for small, nimble friends.
Yeah, right? How's it feel?
Yeah, it's warm. It's not cold down here.
God for prepared fucking drifters.
Okay,
Hey!
you?
Yeah. My impacts.
So you good now?
Yeah, I'm gonna check the other side real quick once I take my shoes off.
Let's take your shoes.
Ta-da!
Media vest.
I get to be so cool now.
You're legit.
Yeah, I went to help you drive it.
Oh my God, you scared the shit out of me.
Good.
Yeah?
He's doing really good.
Is it scary?
What do you mean?
Scary. I don't know. It's different.
Yeah, it's gets not really. It gets really scary right here. Like
Get some real speed to get in there, you know?
yeah, but it's fun.
Yeah. Oh
It's
my
real
god.
fun.
Yeah.
To roll the
I wish I had Steffi's for ride-alongs, but each lap I learned so much. This course is teaching me a lot. It's really making me drive my car a whole different way. I'm running on a gearing on the straights, trying to build speed, so I'm kind of like having to undercut a lot of the turns. Like that last lap I hit a tire pretty good. I didn't even realize it, but good thing my bumper held up. Besides that, it is a fun-ass course. I'm learning a lot, and I'm having a really good time, and it's sick. It's definitely difficult though, and it's scary, but we're doing great.
It was scary. My heart is like dying. No, you did really well. You didn't make me cringe. We got our chefs over here. What are you guys making?
Burgers and hot dogs.
Oh, that's
Count Matt at the festival.
it's a cute setup.
Jimmy, you want a burger for after?
He might have one.
No?
Yeah, just ask him.
You caught me at a lack of words. About to go watch B-Class be up. Hopefully we'll get a ride with JP. See that 500 horsepower monster. Hopefully we'll get a ride with Tony. Haven't seen Tony. I don't know where Tony went, but hopefully we'll find him.
well. Is this how you got in here? How did you get here?
How did I get here?
Yeah.
Through the gate.
All right, guys. So I don't know how footage went today because Steffi was running around the camera like usual. I always just kind of let Steffi do her thing. She always does great. So today was awesome. My car did amazing. The new layout actually felt like a track and didn't just feel like a skid pad. So it forced me to learn a lot. Learned a lot of e-brake action. That tight back corner that a lot of people are having trouble with. I learned a lot how to keep it up in scrub speed and everything. The next thing I really got to work on is left foot braking. That would really do a lot for me. But besides that, I'm really happy with my driving. It was really cool to drive with some dudes that got me into the sport, and that's about it. I'm just rambling at this point. So
you did great.
I'm gassed. Today was awesome. Like I said, I can't wait to drive another track. I mean, just that changing it up a little bit helped me a lot. So okay, we gotta get home. We got a long drive. So you guys know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more content, and have a great day.